Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevy Suburban LT. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 5.3 V8 pushing out 355 horsepower. This one does have some aftermarket goodies. It's got the K&N cold air intake, the front bumper guard, 18-inch aftermarket multi-spoke blacked out wheels. The tires are in good condition. We've got a Suburban badging, black leather interior, plenty of space in the rear climate controls, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, another Suburban badging, power tailgate, set of all-season floor mats, cargo cover, fold down third row seats. Also got some running boards, power windows, memory seats, Bose sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Set it up. Navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders, wireless charging. This Chevy has 67,845 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.